From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson with your Wednesday forecast. Looking out your window this morning, you can't see much. This is a view of Beaver Stadium right now. Right now, Beaver Stadium is currently in the left portion of the screen, with the men's and women's soccer field sitting right on the foreground. On a clear day, you'd see Mount Nittany quite prominent over my right shoulder, but today, there's nothing really outside your window. With visibility at 0 miles, the temperature and dew point are at 57 degrees, matching up perfectly, leading to this thick, dense shroud of fog sitting on the State College area. Winds are calm, not being able to push this fog out of the valley, leading to quite the foggy morning this morning. Looking at the history, today's high is 79 degrees with a low of 54 degrees. Typically for this time of the year, the high will be 65 and a low of 47, leading to well above average temperatures that we've seen the past couple of days. Across much of Pennsylvania, this morning's temperatures and dew point are matching up. So across the Commonwealth, people are seeing the same fog that we are. State College is a great example. 57 degrees temperature along with a 57 degree dew point is allowing this shroud of fog just to hang around in the valley this morning. What's not helping is calm winds. There's no wind pushing this layer of air out of the area, so this fog will sit here really until the midday hours. Looking currently at the radar for Pennsylvania, there's not much or any precipitation to see, but if we look over in the Midwest, we see a low pressure system and cold front moving through the Chicago and St. Louis area, which we might get a peek at this weekend. Looking at mid to late afternoon on Wednesday, we see clouds starting to arrive in western Pennsylvania, with this persisting all the way to the east. Midday Thursday, we see thicker clouds coming in, showing the front of this cold front, with rain coming in much of western Pennsylvania early Friday morning, possibly during the overnight hours, leading to State College and eventually eastern Pennsylvania. Looking into this weekend, we see this kind of scattered showers and partly sunny skies with some overcast in the eastern and western part of the state, persisting, leading to relatively cool and dreary conditions throughout the weekend this weekend. Looking on a grander scale, we see tropical system Philippe pushing up and kind of coexisting with this low pressure system. We see that the warmer temperatures, warmer air is going to move up into Canada as some colder temperatures, colder air from Canada is going to push down into the lower 48, including Pennsylvania. These lower temperatures will be affecting us much of the weekend. And moving into Monday morning, we see that some rain and clouds can continue to persist. Looking at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we see that much of the East Coast is significantly below average compared to the usual, while the West Coast is going to be a little bit warmer. Again, this is mostly due to the cold air from Canada moving down into the Pennsylvania and East Coast region since the system and since the low pressure system and tropical system Philippe are mixing. For today's forecast, there's a high of 79 degrees, mostly sunny skies with summer-like conditions with calm winds leading to a great day to be outside today. Tonight, we're looking at temperatures around 54 degrees with clear skies and a possibility of fog tomorrow morning, much to the likes of today's fog, yesterday's fog, and the day before it. The calm winds are not really allowing this air to be pushed out in the early morning hours, so consistently for the rest of the week, you'll probably be seeing the same. Tomorrow, we're looking at 76 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Winds picking up a little bit, but we'll still have a great day outside tomorrow with your 7-day forecast. We're seeing that today and tomorrow, it's going to be in the mid to high 70s with that low pressure system and cold front moving in this weekend, bringing some colder temperatures and scattered rain. Next week, Tuesday, we're seeing the temperatures rising again with this low pressure and cold front moving out of the area. I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson with your Wednesday forecast. I hope you have a great day.